There's controversy in the music world. It's surrounding Jay-Z. While he's always big pimpin', this time he's not. His request to purchase and take control of the late Purple Rain singer Prince's unreleased tracks for $40 million was reportedly denied. According to TMZ, the estate responded to the Roc Nation request, saying it has no interest in a deal to let Roc Nation exploit any of the intellectual property assets of the estate. Jay-Z has worked with Prince in the past. In these recent discussions, the estate is also said to have been battling with Tidal, Jay-Z's streaming service, saying 15 of Prince's albums were made available after his death in a move that was never authorized. On the flip side, Prince did make a deal with Jay-Z for the release of Hit and Run Phase 1, with the estate claiming it is still owed $750,000. Sorry, Jay, but it doesn't sound like there's much of a chance of the Prince estate coughing up that coveted unreleased catalog. Good luck with the rest of your empire, though. I'm Elise Barker for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.